Back to my channel, and today I am going to show you a very different thing, which is I guess in my inventory it's the most expensive thing I am going to show you. So let's see. This is the product which I am talking about, and this is ARM Versatile Express V2M-JUNO-R2. This is a development board, and it's very interesting story in that board. Basically we bought it from the auction, and Google bought this basically as per invoice. Google ordered these 3 boxes, and somehow they are not able to get it. I don't know why, but we bought it this on through auction, airport auction, and I have 3 pieces. One is open and 2 is sealed packed. You can see of the cost, invoice cost is around $30,000 of these 3 boxes, $10,000 each as per the invoice. And I am going to show you the product, what is inside. So I am going to open that box. Now you can see that this is the ARM box. It is, you see the taping of the ARM also, and this is the upper box, and you can see the packing, and this is one more cover, sleeve of that thing. This is the box which I am talking about. You can see ARM Versatile Juno R2 development platform, and this is the connection of this box. It's very much new, and if anybody interested to buy, will give you a very low price, anywhere from the world marketplace will give you very low price. I'm going to open this box also, so let's see what is the inside of that thing. And this is the cost of this box is very high. These are the accessories, I guess. Yes, these are the accessories, and one CD or DVD to support files and all, and this is USB to USB. You see that high speed USB, and this is the adapter. You see the adapter, and this is a pin. Okay, and this is one more cable. This is HDMI to HDMI. See, and this is the maker of that cable, HDMI lead, and this is one more cable, USB 2.0 dual serial converter, USB serial dual. So this is the cable, cell pack, and this is the cable. Okay, and there is one more cable, null modem cable, DB9 female to DB9 female. The part number is there. So these are all accessories coming with this box. This is a LAN cable, and this is one more cable, same. This is a condition. These are the few cables, international version. This is Indian version, and this is other international version. So 3 different cables on that box, so I'm keeping here. This is the box which I'm going to open that box. Let's see what is the inside view of that box. So these are the few screw which I am going to open. So one really open, second, third and fourth. So this possibility here. Yes, this is the thing. One more. One. The other side also same thing, which this is the flat kind of thing which I am going to open, and same 2 screws is also here. So I am going to give a 4th screw. Now this box is open. Finally, this is the inside view of that box. Just look at the thing. See, this is the chip. Now this is a board, this connection. Now you can see very close up of that thing. Every component you can see. And description of this board is also mentioned here. We have PCI port, port. Is I guess RAM slot. There's a fan. So now the point is this: I have 3 boards which I would like to sell, and if anybody interested in India or even outside international client wanted to buy, we will sell it this thing. Because I try to sell the buyer, I try to contact them, but they refuse to buy because I'm not the authorized person of ARM. So so they are not willing to buy back this thing. So I believe somebody in international market or somebody in India would like to buy at lower price. I like to sell. So now you have seen the video of that thing. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe. In my next video I will show you very good thing, and thanks very much.